Welcome to this exciting video about the rise of Boston Dynamics and their efforts to build the next generation of super robots army. Over the past few years, Boston Dynamics has become a household name for their cutting-edge robotics technology and innovative designs. Their robots are now being used in various industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and even military applications. One of the most notable achievements of Boston Dynamics has been the development of their humanoid robot called Atlas. This robot is designed to perform a wide range of tasks and is equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence technology. Atlas can walk on two legs, run, jump, and even perform backflips. Another one of Boston Dynamics' impressive robots is the Spot robot. This quadruped robot is designed for a wide range of applications and can navigate through rough terrains. Spot can also be customized with various attachments such as cameras, sensors, and grippers. In addition to their humanoid and quadruped robots, Boston Dynamics has also developed a robot named Handle. This robot is designed for warehousing and logistics applications and can carry and transport heavy loads with ease. Handle is equipped with a unique balancing system that allows it to maintain stability while carrying large objects. All of these robots are powered by advanced robotics technology and artificial intelligence, which enables them to perform complex tasks autonomously. This makes them ideal for use in various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. Recently, Boston Dynamics has been working on a new project called AI Robotic Teammate. This project aims to develop a new generation of robots that can work alongside humans in industrial settings. The robots will be able to perform tasks such as assembly, material handling, and quality control. This will not only improve the efficiency of the manufacturing process but will also help to reduce human error and improve safety. In conclusion, the rise of Boston Dynamics and their efforts to build the next generation of super robots army is truly remarkable. With their cutting-edge robotics technology and innovative designs, Boston Dynamics is leading the way in the field of robotics. Their robots are already being used in various industries, and with the development of new robots like the AI Robotic Teammate, the possibilities are endless. We can't wait to see what Boston Dynamics has in store for the future of robotics.